Guys, we're talking about how to keep your crypto safe today. Now, there has been over 5 million Bitcoin stolen online in crypto wallets just recently. So I'm going to teach you the tips you need to keep it safe. Bear in mind, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only. So let's get straight in. So guys, what we're talking about first is private keys. How you should maintain them and look after them. Okay, now a private key is a secure code that actually enables the holder to make cryptocurrency transactions and provide ownership of their holdings. Now you can see here, Bitcoin keys specifically feature a 256-bit string displayed as a combination of letters and numbers. It's stored within your crypto wallet, enabling you to access your Bitcoin whenever you need to. So if you've got a hard wallet, if you've got things like this, okay, they're really, really cool because you can't just go and hack it online. You need to physically have that key. Now what I would do is write that key down. Don't let anyone see it, put it in your safe, and never ever let anyone see that, because as soon as they know that, they can actually access your crypto. Now the risk, loss, or theft, all right, keep in mind if someone manages to get it, like I said, okay, they've effectively gained access to your Bitcoin holdings, putting your crypto at risk. Now the same goes for losing your private key. If you want to dig more into this, go to n26.com and actually follow the link down below, okay? The same goes for losing your private key. If you're unable to access it for whatever reason, you'll likely be unable to access your coins. That's all the coins that are stored on that wallet. Now, your private key cannot be emphasized enough by safety. So please, don't send it over WhatsApp. Don't send it to your friend on Messenger or take a picture of it and send it over. It's got to be secure to you. Okay, the safekeeping of private keys for customers should be and is going to be a regulated financial service for you. Okay, that's what you should be doing. Now moving on to seed phrases. Go over to nerdwallet.com so you can follow exactly what it is I'm talking about. Now, seed recovery phrase, what is it and how do we use them? So a seed phrase, a recovery phrase, is a series of words that grant access to your cryptocurrency wallet, all right? It works like a master password, so you can recover any crypto assets, even if you lose your password, phone, hardware device, anything like that, okay? You can just log into your wallet with the seed phrase, and it serves as a backup. Super easy, guys. Seed phrases are probably the most common thing in crypto so far. Okay, everyone has their seed phrases, and yes, if you lose anything, your wallet, your password, if you just don't log in, so what people do is you get into a crypto project and 2 years later you forget about it, but as long as you've got the seed phrase, you don't need to remember the website, things like that. You can just log straight in and see how your crypto is doing. Okay, so dig more into what exactly a seed phrase is. Okay guys, these are things you need to know if you're going to be committing to the crypto market in 2023. Now, moving on to third-party crypto custody. Now, you can go over to Go Trust, okay, and read about this as well. Now, the custody solutions can offer a more convenient method of crypto, okay? It offers a way to store crypto assets without the responsibility of managing your private keys. So third-party custodians are often regulated or semi-regulated entities like exchanges, banks, things like that, a licensed state of federal level third-party custody. Now, the solutions can offer a more convenient method of custody without having to actually worry about key management. Now, to experience the traditional online banking with a regular login and password, that's what we're usually doing. Now, additionally, your assets are more accessible since you don't have to worry about connecting your physical device. So your cold wallet, for example, is what we're talking about, private key to make transactions. Okay, third-party custody can actually offer a more secure solution through regulation. Third-party custodians are often registered and required to follow KYC. Okay, KYC is when you send your passport photo and your driving license photo, things like that, to make sure that you are a real human being, okay? The AML process, similar to traditional banks that you normally do. There is downsides though. The downsides to the third-party custody and controlling third-party risk is when a third-party custodian control over your crypto and digital asset has the control. Okay, you're giving it to them. That's what that is. Now, in addition to control third-party risk is also a drawback compared to self-custody. So third-party risk is a risk of having outside parties make transactions and perform other financial activities on your behalf. So you're allowing the control for someone else. Guys, these are just a few things that you need to be getting your head around in 2023 if you're getting involved in the crypto market. So let me know down below if you're going to be getting crypto, what kind of crypto you're going to be getting. If you love this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. I will see you next time.